Welcome to the Explainer. Let's dive right into building and connecting modern web apps. Ever wonder how a simple click actually grabs and saves data from some remote server? Let's look. Early on, apps used a one-tier architecture. Presentation, logic, and data all tangled on one single machine. Then came two-tier setups. We separated the database, sure, but presentation and logic were still superglued together.
Enter the three-tier model. It beautifully isolates that user-facing front end from the heavy-lifting backend. Game changer.
To manage all this, we use the MVC pattern. It perfectly organizes how these separate layers interact.
Basically, the view is what you see, the model manages data, and the controller directs traffic.
Building a web app is kind of like a restaurant. The front end, that's the dining room you sit in.
The back end is the kitchen and pantry. It securely holds all your ingredients and business logic out of sight. Modern kitchens use back-end tools like Express or Spring Boot. Dining rooms? They rock React or Angular.
So, how do they actually talk? We need a waiter, right? That's our communication method, bridging the gap.
The most popular waiter is the REST API. It uses simple HTTP conventions to exchange data seamlessly. Your front end makes a fetch request, the server processes it in the kitchen, and serves the data right back.
Need real-time stuff like chat? We use WebSockets instead for a persistent two-way connection. Pretty cool, right?
But hey, what happens when you finally connect your front and back end and the browser suddenly blocks you?
Boom, you hit a CORS error. It's a strict built-in security mechanism to stop unauthorized cross-origin requests.
Since your React front-end and Express backend run on totally different ports, the browser considers them complete strangers.
The fix? Your backend must explicitly configure CORS headers to actually allow that front-end access.
Now you've got the blueprint, the players, and the bridge. So, what web app are you going to build next?